Hey, welcome to the video. In this video, we're going to see the main aspect of data visualization, that is the data modeling. Before doing any visualization, we need to understand the data in our model and we need to ensure that all the relationship between the tables are correctly made. So in this, I imported four tables like order details. So it have the four columns of, it's basically have the details of the orders. It have the order detail ID, pizza ID and quantity. So it don't have any other information. The other information is available in other table like orders. If I go for orders, it have the date and time of when that order is made. And pizza type, I have all the details regarding the pizzas. So like a name, category or ingredients of the pizza. Then in pizzas, I have the size and price. So all numerical information of price and size is available over here. So using these four, I can do our analysis and visualization, but I need to have the relationship between all these tables. So if I go for this model view, so here I have the relationship. You can see how tables are related to each other. If I hover my cursor over here, so pizza table is related to order details based on this pizza ID. So it here we can see one to many relationship because one pizza can comes in many orders. So it shows one row of this related to many row of this. It clearly tells us that one pizza can comes under in many orders. So it shows one to many relationship. Then between order details and orders, there are one order. It can have many uh, pizzas. So it have one to many relationship. Because in order details, if I go for this table view, in order details, here I can see order ID is present and quantity. So order ID, in order ID, order details are there. So in order details, I have the quantity and pizza ID. So I can have many pizzas, okay, many pizzas in the same order. That's why it is showing one to many relationship because one order can have many pizzas. So all the order details are available here. This is connected to pizza. So one order can have many pizzas. And the last one is pizza type. So pizza type is related to pizza table. Here we can see one to many relationship because if I go to this table view and see this pizza and pizza type. So here I get the basic understanding that pizza type one pizza because here pizza type one row is related to many row of pizza because here in pizza type I have the types of pizza and in pizzas the same pizza can be available in three different shapes sizes. So that one pizza like barbecue chicken is available in three different shapes like small, medium and large. So based on this, the one row of this pizza type, this barbecue chicken, is related to three rows. Like this three rows related to this barbecue chicken. That's why it's showing one to many relationship. So these are the basic understanding. And if I right click and check the property, here I have the detailed view of this relationship. So here the relationship is pizza ID of order details is related to pizza. So it have many to one relationship and here I can see the cross filter direction. Basically it tells about the direction of filter. It really meant is if I filter this table, if I filter one table, the filter of that will affect to the another table's rows also. So now it have single direction relationship. If you want, you can do for both direction, but it will give some issues. So it's better to keep in a single direction filter. So these details we have over here. So these are the basic understanding. So before doing any analysis or before creating any visualization, it's very important that we should understand our data. We should understand what all data is present in our model and how all the tables are related to each other. By understanding these things, we can do our analysis better. We can create a better visualization by understanding these things. If you don't have this understanding, it's very difficult to clearly define the structure or clearly build the visualization or any analysis. So it's very important to have the understanding. If the data model is not clear, you should make sure that all the relationship is correctly built. Using data transformation, you can do some transformation, or if you need, you can create a one more unique column of the table. If you have the date or any other unique key, you can combine those two column and you can build the relationship between the different columns so that your relationship is correct, then your analysis will also be correctly comes. So these are the basic understanding that I wanted to give in this video. So stay tuned for the next video. In the future video, we'll cover the many other topics on Power BI. Thank you for watching. Thank you.